Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today I want to discuss about digestive system. Yeah children, generally we eat food daily. Clear children? Food gives us lots of energy to do any kind of a work. Clear? But food that we eat we cannot be used by the body, right? Then how we are going to consume the food? Yeah children, generally we eat food now. That food just broke it down into small pieces and then it is absorbed by our body. This process is known as digestion. Did everyone understood children? This food which we eat daily na, that is broken into small pieces and that can be consumed by our body. So this process is considered as digestion. Yeah children, generally we take the food through our mouth and it is mashed with the help of saliva, and the action of teeth. Yeah children, we generally take our food through mouth na, we chew the food through the saliva. This is called as bolus, bolus, bolus. Next, the bolus or the chewed food travels through the oesophagus, oesophagus. Oesophagus means this area, this pipe area. This food pipe area is known as oesophagus. Into the stomach, the food enters into the food pipe through the and goes to the stomach. Digestive juices and also acids in the stomach react with the food breaking, and later on what it will happen, later on it break down the food and also goes to the further. The last stages of the digestion involve the absorption of nutrients and water. Here children, all nutrients and water can be absorbed here from this digested food into the blood stream from the small intestine and the large intestine. You can see here small intestine and large intestine. Any waste substances that in the body are unable to digest can be stored in rectum. RECTUM, rectum. To be excreted through the anus later. Clear children? Later on, the digested food can be excreted through the anus. ANUS, anus. Clear children? What are the parts of the digestive system? Three. Food pipe is also known as oesophagus and also stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus and also liver, rectum. Clear children? Again I will read with spellings. Food pipe, FOOD, food, PIPE, pipe, stomach, 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 pancreas, 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 small intestine, SMALL, small intestine, 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 large intestine, LARGE, large, INTESTINE, intestine, anus, 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 rectum, 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 liver, LIVER, liver. Yeah children, in this topic we have learned that how the food digestion takes place. Once more I'll repeat the points of digestive system. Please be careful children. Listen properly. Yeah children, generally daily we eat food, right? By eating food we get energy to do the work, but the food we eat cannot be digested directly, right? But the food we are eating can be broken down into the small pieces and then it is absorbed by our body. This process is considered as digestion. Clear children? And later on food can be taken through our mouth, right? Later that can be helped with the saliva. This action with the teeth and the chewed food saliva is called as bolus, bolus, bolus. Next, the chewed food travels through the food pipe. Clear? Then it goes to the stomach, and the digestive juices and acids in the stomach react with the food breaking down even further. Clear, children? In the last stages of digestion, it involves all the absorption of nutrients, water from the digested food, and have the bloodstream from small intestine and large intestine. Any waste substances that is unable to digest can be stored in rectum. Clear, children? To be excreted through the anus later. Clear, children? I hope that everyone understood the topic of digestive system. Thank you. Have a nice